Hello friends, welcome to our channel All About Guns. In this video, we'll show you the different parts of 3006 M1 Garand Rifle. So to start with, first we have the buttstock. This is the buttstock, and with the rear swivel, the front swivel and the locking band. Then we have the butt plate. Next we have the trigger assembly. This is the trigger assembly. Then we have the barrel and receiver. You can check the barrel and the receiver. And we have the rear sight assembly on the receiver. This is the rear sight assembly. And then we have the handguard. This is the handguard of M1 Garand. Then we have the gas cylinder locking screw. Then we have gas cylinder stacking swivel. Cylinder. This is the gas cylinder and the front sight. Next we have the follower rod and the operating rod spring. This is the follower rod and the operating rod spring. Next we have the operating rod. This is called the operating rod. And the last part is the bolt assembly. This is the bolt assembly of M1 Garand. So these are all the parts of 3006 M1 Garand Rifle. Thank you for watching our video. Keep coming back for more such videos, and don't forget to share and subscribe our channel All About Guns. Thank you.